Hey guys, welcome back to PalettePlay Studios. Okay, so now for the final part of the painting is the sandy pathway and the grass. You will need sandy beige, yellow ochre, brown, dark green, light green, well, all kinds of greens. And tools, you need a medium flat brush for pathway, a fan brush for the grass, and a linear brush for details. Okay, so as your pathway is going towards the ocean, it is becoming narrower, that is, it's tapering, and away from the ocean it is going to be a wider pathway. Okay, so you can sketch it out a little bit, where your grass is going to be, what's your pathway looks like. Now I am going to fill my pathway with sandy beige. You can use any shades. You can make it a darker sand or a lighter one. You can make it a muddy sand. Once I have painted my sand pathway, now I am going to add the grass. Now for grass, I am using all kinds of greens with a darker shade, beginning with a darker shade, applying a lighter shade on it, and even lighter shade on it to give it more and more depth, right? So for my grass, I am using my fan brush. Now fan brush is very easy to use. You just dab it in the paint, and now on your paper you are just going to dab, and you are going to make grass out of it. Now remember, art is about having fun and expressing yourself. So don't worry about perfection. I am making longer grasses as well because I am imagining that this scene is not just this thin layout that I'm painting, it spreads wider, right? I am imagining that this is a scene out of my window. So out of my window there will be a larger grass area, a path and everything in a larger. So I am imagining it. So I am going to put longer grass needles as well, imagining they are coming from some direction, and it will cover all my 3 parts of this painting. So again, perspective. You need that perspective, that how close are you, how far are you. At the end, I am using a dark brown color as well to give depth to my sand pathway. Okay, here and there you can use your finger to smudge out your brownish areas. The last element of the painting I am painting is a yacht far away. So it is going to be very small in size and near the horizon where sky and ocean meet. So I'm making a white sail and a little brown wooden deck for it. And there you have it, a beautiful seaside view to brighten any room. Now I had to cover this area of my almirah, so I made a beach out of it because I love beaches. Share your finest paintings with me. I'd love to see your creations. Until next time, keep painting and keep dreaming.